Ever tried to shift your car out of park, but the shifter just won't move? It can be frustrating, but in most cases, the problem is caused by a few common issues that are easier to diagnose than you might think. In this video, we'll walk through the most common reasons your car gets stuck in park and show you what you can do to get moving again. Let's jump right in. Transmission under pressure. The first reason might be that when a car is parked on a hill, the weight of the vehicle presses against the parking mechanism in the transmission. This happens because the car rolls slightly after being put in park, causing the transmission to lock in place. If there is too much pressure, it can be hard to move the shifter out of the park. To avoid this, always use the parking brake the right way. Stop completely, set the parking brake, and then shift into park. This keeps most of the weight off the transmission and helps prevent it from getting stuck. Faulty shift lock safety system. Another common reason your car won't shift out of park is a problem with the shift lock safety system. The shift lock is designed to prevent the shifter from moving unless the brake pedal is pressed. This safety feature helps keep the vehicle from accidentally shifting into gear. If there's an issue with the brake lights, such as a blown fuse, a faulty brake light switch, or a bad shift lock solenoid, the system may not recognize that the brake pedal is being pressed. As a result, the shift lock won't release, leaving the shifter stuck in park. To check for this problem, press the brake pedal and see if the brake lights come on. If they don't, you could be dealing with a blown fuse or a faulty brake light switch. Replacing the damaged component will usually restore normal shifter operation. Damaged shifter linkage or actuator. Another area to inspect is the shifter linkage or actuator. If the shifter moves but the transmission doesn't actually change gears, the cable or linkage connecting the shifter to the transmission may be loose, worn out, damaged, or disconnected. This can happen over time from normal wear and tear, corrosion, or excessive force applied to the shifter. A loose linkage may make the shifter feel sloppy, while a broken or disconnected linkage will prevent the transmission from responding at all. To inspect it, look under the hood or near the transmission and make sure the linkage is securely connected and in good condition. If you notice any loose or damaged parts, they may need adjustment or replacement. Now those are the most common reasons why your car won't shift out of park. But if it happens, don't panic. Start by pressing the brake pedal firmly and try shifting again. If that doesn't work, check whether the brake lights illuminate when you press the pedal. If they don't, the problem could be a blown fuse or a faulty brake light switch. You can also use the shift lock release, which is usually a small slot located near the shifter. Insert your key or a small screwdriver into the slot while pressing the brake pedal to manually release the shifter. If your vehicle is parked on a hill, try gently rocking the car or applying the parking brake before shifting to relieve pressure on the transmission. If none of these methods solve the problem, there may be a more serious issue with the shift linkage, shift lock solenoid, or the transmission itself. In that case, it's best to have the vehicle inspected by a qualified mechanic. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple automotive repair tips and troubleshooting videos. If you're dealing with a different car problem, leave it in the comments below, and we may cover it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.